What up, guys? I am testing out the new camera that I got just a couple months ago. Actually, not even a couple months ago, maybe a month ago. What am I saying? It's a lovely Sunday. Man, look at this quality. Whew. Oh, it's bright though. Oh. Anyway, I'm gonna be taking out the Subaru. I haven't driven it in a while. Yeah, it's kind of weird vlogging in the new camera. Because I used the small one before, and this camera is really heavy. Well, not really heavy, but you know what I'm saying. So my left arm is gonna be sore probably. But anyways, here's the Subaru, and I have the GoPro attached. Get some exhaust clips. It's been a while. Yeah, we're in a lovely Sunday. Quiet neighborhood. But not anymore once I get this started. Right now I'm having a little bit of a issue. The Subaru has been making this whining noise. I'm not sure what it is. I'm thinking it's the clutch bearing, maybe. I don't know if you guys can hear it. There's a slight whine noise. I'm trying to decide where I'm gonna take it, what shop. I'm not sure. Maybe 6-star, because they're professionals over there with Subaru. They always work on Subaru, only Subaru. But then they might charge me a lot. I don't know. Luckily, it's not summer season yet, car season. So we'll see. Well, I'm here. Look how beautiful that car is, man. It's becoming rare, maybe. I think it is, though. I'm gonna test out my new camera here, see how good it is. This camera is mainly for video though, but it still has good megapixels for pictures. I'm also gonna try out my Canon lens on this camera. If you don't know, the camera that I'm using is the new Panasonic Lumix S5 Mark II, which comes with a auto phase detection. They came out with the first one, which was the S5 with no autofocus, but the autofocus on that camera was very, very horrible from what I seen on YouTube. Dude, I was literally talking for 5 minutes and I wasn't even recording. Oh my god. I'm bad, yo, I'm bad. But yeah, anyway, right now I am shooting on vlog. This is what came with the camera, or a feature that came with the camera as vlog. The previous clip that I used was real-time LUT, which means that I uploaded a LUT into this camera and used it, but right now I'm trying to vlog. And later on, while I edit this video, I'm gonna see, or color grade it, is what they call. Oh man. Oh, hold on. I don't know how vloggers do it, but my left arm is killing me right now. Holding this camera up. Oof. I guess this is a workout on my left arm, right? Anyway, here's the car. I do want to spend money on it. But then I don't know. I think I do. The only thing that needs to be looked on right now is, I'm pretty sure, the clutch. I mean, my clutch is fine, I think. Well, what I mean by that is when I shift gears, it doesn't grind, it doesn't pop out. My clutch feels stiff as always, right? But there's this whining noise, like I said earlier. That's what I need to get looked at on this car before I keep driving it. And then next thing that I want to do is get rid of this rust in the quarter panels, the rear quarter panels. So I might have to go wide body on it. I mean, I don't know how much it's gonna cost to fix this rust. Probably a couple thousand. But if I do go wide body, it won't look as practical anymore, especially when I put on the winter beater wheels. But we'll see, you know. I wanna get all this in the vlog too, if I ever do it. I want to, but I don't want to make any promises yet. You know, I'm trying to be financially stable here. I don't want to be in debt. That's the main concern, or not the concern, but oh man, my left arm, yo, my left arm is really killing me. Maybe I should switch to the right arm. Alright, right arm it is. Okay, so anyway, I don't want to be in debt with car stuff, at least not yet. I mean, if I want to go in debt, I want to buy a new car, that's it. You know, newer car. And I can't say what I want, because cars right now are expensive. Gas right now is expensive. I don't want to be in that, you know, in that debt, like I said. But yeah, If you guys have been watching this, watching my videos, thank you. I wanna, appreciate you guys. Whoever keeps up with FullyDrivn. Yeah, make sure you like this video. Subscribe if you haven't. I'm gonna try to make some good content out here. What sucks is that I live in a state where it's not all car season, like Florida or California, Arizona, Texas. I live in a state where summer is only a couple months, and then we hit winter, and then car season is over. Whew. Yeah, here's the car. Subaru WRX.